Well, look who's back. It's our good friend David Kinsman, agency owner at Missouri Farm Bureau Insurance. First of all, good to see you again.
Yes.
How's your week been, my friend?
Oh, it's been awesome. Thanks for having me on again, Jeremy.
Of course. So let's say somebody's tuning in for the first time.
Yep.
Don't know anything about Missouri Farm Bureau Insurance. What do you do?
Yeah, I'm an insurance agent here in Springfield locally. And so Farm Bureau, despite the name Farm Bureau, we do more than just agriculture insurance. So we can still do the home, the auto, the life insurance, and the business insurance. So basically just everything you're going to need, we're able to help assist with on that.
I'm glad you said that last week because I would have assumed the same thing.
Yeah.
When you hear the word Farm Bureau, you have thoughts about what it does. But again, you're for everybody.
Yep.
Which is great. So I'm curious, you do the insurance. I don't know the difference or different life insurance options when it comes to that.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep, so there's kind of really two main sides of life insurance. There's your term insurance and your whole life or your permanent insurance. And so a lot of times they can be called different names, but it's all kind of the same thing. And so the easy way I like to try to explain it is like owning versus renting your house.
Okay.
Right, because everyone is either a renter or a homeowner, so everyone kind of get the concept of it. So if we think of like renting your home, kind of similar to like term insurance. All right, so like term insurance, you're going to buy it for 10, 15, 20 years, 30 years, whatever it may be, and you'll be locked in for that term. Kind of like you will with the lease if you rent a house, right? You're going to be locked in for a year, 2 years. At the end of that term or your lease, you're done with it, right? It's not like you can sell the lease or anything and get money back. It just kind of, that coverage ends and you're done.
So you're done. What if you didn't use it?
Yeah, you would have to kind of reapply.
Okay. Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, and then on the term side, then it's all based off health and age and things at that time. So the rate could change. You may or may not be eligible. So there's different factors that can go into it.
Okay.
So like on our whole life insurance, kind of like owning your home. So kind of a similar concept like with a mortgage. I can get a 15, 20, 30-year mortgage. When I pay that off, I'm done with those payments, but I own the house.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So kind of similar with the the whole life insurance. I can set those pay plans for 10, 20, 30 years, and then you pay it off and you own it forever. You're done making payments.
Okay.
And then, so whenever that time comes, you have to use it, it's going to be there.
Okay, this leads me to a question because you're talking about like the term and the whole. Where would it apply to be better to do term versus the whole, or is whole the better option to go all the time?
I think it's very individual. It depends on your situation. There's plenty of times that both make a lot of sense. And for a lot of folks, I do recommend both. Maybe we need to get that 25, 50 grand in the whole life so we can have that paid off before we retire, then that's our final expense policy per se, right? And then we need to buy way more term to cover our current, mortgage, kids, family, things like that. So there's situations where both make sense.
Okay.
And then there's, for some individuals, buying all term or all whole makes more sense. So if we're gonna sit down and talk about it, we'll go through your needs and figure out which one's gonna make sense for you.
Good, that's what I would need a consultation.
Yeah.
I need to figure out what I need because I probably don't know.
Yeah.
And then am I stupid for thinking, hey, I just have insurance through my work?
Yeah, no, not at all. If you have the option where you can buy life insurance through work, great. Buy as much as you can. For most people, it's either you're getting it for free as a benefit for being employed there, or it's very affordable, you can buy a little bit more. I strongly recommend that people also have their policy outside of work. Okay. Most people need about 10 times their income worth of life insurance. Okay. Most time at work, you're not going to get that. It might be 25 grand, 100 grand, or maybe it's 2 times your income. So most of the time there's going to be a gap there. And that's where we can come in and say, okay, you have 200 grand, but really we need $1 million. So let's get the other 800 grand with us, and then we have that all filled up for you.
Oh, so you're helping fill that gap of maybe what it doesn't cover.
Yeah.
Or what doesn't, the amount, that you need.
Yeah.
Wow, there's a lot to think about.
Yeah, the other thing I like to talk to people about, especially if they have it through work, is work's not always 100% going to pay. Right, we've had some situations where either you're coming up for retirement, and when you retire, that life insurance is gone. So now you have to go out and get it, and then you're hoping you're healthy enough or have the income to be able to afford it. I've had some situations where unfortunately, I had a very good close client of mine who had a 4-month baby die. Their work coverage doesn't kick in for their children until the child hits 6 months.
Oh my gosh.
So there was no coverage. So that was rough.
That's very rough.
I've had another one too where I had a client that I was talking about life insurance quite a bit, but he wanted to wait until after retirement because he was good with his work plan.
Right.
He died at 61. His work plan had had a provision in there that if you didn't go do a health exam for it, then that coverage drops to 10% after the age of 60.
Oh.
They had no clue. their HR lady, individual didn't tell them. They had no clue. So when he died of a heart attack at 61, they only got 10% of their original payout, and that made it tough for his wife.
How are people supposed to know this stuff? Like, we need you then.
Yeah,
is basically what we're saying.
Yeah.
I wouldn't know that, and what to look for, what to ask. That's the thing. I don't know.
Yeah. No, that's definitely why you would want to, talk to your insurance agent, someone who, specializes and knows this information. Because no fault to the HR rep that, that's how your business. They're not life insurance experts. They understand the payroll and the rules and laws and stuff like that. They're not life insurance experts. They're not going to know.
And the thing is, you don't know when something's going to happen. That's the thing. It's better to be prepared. Nobody wants to think about that, and hopefully, odds are it won't. But why not be prepared in that situation?
Yes.
And you can do it with you. And you are local, and people can trust you. What's the best way to get in touch with you?
Yes, give us a call. You can reach us at our office number, 417-881-4917.
You've made it easy.
Yes.
And I like this guy, guys. Trust him. Give him a call. He will help you through every step, finding out what is the best option for you and your family, because things sometimes happen.
It does.
Well, it's good to see you, my friend.
It's
Thank
good
you
seeing
so
you
much.
too.
All right,
Thank you,
guys.
Jeremy.
Don't go anywhere. When we come back, we're going to try some new menu items from Senor Julian's Mexican Bar and Grill.